Hello everyone, welcome back to Editing Basics. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add border in Picsart. So let's begin. First of all, open your Picsart application. Now, as you can see here, there's a plus button on the middle. Tap on this plus button. So here you can see this blank object. Press on this to create a new blank project. It will take some time to load. Now you can see we have entered a new platform. So swipe right and go and search borders here. So as you can see, there's the option called border. Tap on border. Now you can add your border. You can select the color from this section and select any one of your color and tap on this tick button. And as you can see, you can customize how much the border you like. So this is how you add border in Picsart. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you.